Kani kediga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Kasorkar Meghalaya kelarai ban penlut hadu nyu pusan keluar tingkah nakabenta ban maramat bat ban pencana ye kejing terekam jong ki sispa prapun reutli ki primary health center bat ki community health center ki beran hakaleng kejela. Ya kani la itu do menteri rangba kani kejela u Konrad Kongkal Sangma ha kejing keren bat ki katu kat ni ki nong pathai kubor ha ka arpo artrek mentau naitung arajar arpo. U balai itu ru ban penorlong ye kini kejing temu ka sorkar kelapan jengkain ru nak katnat ka koi kekhia kenang ba onla ban sedang nok loy ban pentrekam ya kini ke project.
As we had been discussing and I had been mentioning in a number of platforms that even before the COVID situation we had decided that we'll be investing more on the health infrastructure, especially in the rural areas. So after going through the entire details, we realized that the 186 different PHCs and the CHCs that are there are some PHCs around the state which have not been renovated even for the past 25 years. Not a single rupee has been invested in the infrastructure. So this is a very serious situation, and that is why we have decided that roughly about 75 crores, the exact amount will be worked out when the detailed estimates of each of the locations comes up. We will invest in the PHCs, CHCs to improve the overall infrastructure and renovation, including power supply, including water supply, including the last mile connectivity, including quarters for the staff and the doctors. All these aspects will be looked into, and as I was mentioning, and roughly an estimate of 75 crores will be required, and we have agreed to that today, and we have asked the health department to come out with the details, and this implementation of this will start at the earliest. I'm hopeful that within the next 30 days we should be able to start the entire process of this renovation of the PHCs and CHCs in the first phase, and I'm confident that we'll be able to complete this work within this financial year. The second phase, which is also not very far, will be focusing on improving the sub-centers. At the same time, we've also gone into details of improving the existing civil hospitals, including the ICUs that are required for that. And at the same time, we are also going to work towards the manpower requirements in different locations. And obviously, which something that I've been talking about a lot, is the implementation of a very strong MIS system, which will ensure that the doctors are not burdened with reporting systems, and they can focus on healthcare rather than reportings which take up a lot of their time. So all these areas were discussed, and for the beginning, as I said, we're starting with this immediate investment in the PHCs and the CHCs across the state.